Let's hear this. Ah ha ha. We have slightly taken off for a fiesta. क्या बेवकूफ साला. These are the sweet dishes. भैया टंग है टंग. हाँ. अच्छा show then we'll go. Show where Jesus then we'll go. Show where Jesus.
Show where Jesus.
अच्छा show where Jesus. Come on. Good morning to another day here in Goa, and guess what? Today finally my Lent is over. We're just getting back from church, and it is 11:05. So I'm going to have my first sip after 40 days. Let's hear this. Ah ha ha. Chilled beer at 11, like the Goans do it. Come on, let's have a sip and see. This is my first time having this one also. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. It's like the green one only. It's nice. Premium green one only. Very nice. So I just wanted to break my leg with you all, and I had left alcohol for 40 days. Great achievement. So anyways, now we are heading back. We have to check out. We went to church at 9:30, quarter to 10, and 11 o'clock it got over. Very nice mass, English mass, and they're playing the flute and all in the choir. Very nice. All the aunts and all were in dresses and all. Very nice vibe it was, but very hot. So anyways, now it's not hot. I'm chilling, and we are heading back. We are heading back. There's the car. We are heading back to the hotel to check out and go back to our house, because our house is ready, all set now for us. And the other few days we'll be staying there only now. So I'll catch you after a bit once I'm done with my can. There are 2 more lying in the hotel, but they're not chilled. So I'll chill it and then I'll have them. Cheers. Boom. Go right on top. Oh. Very good. Very good. Very good. 1 step. 2 step. 3 step.
Gotcha.
I'm sitting here at the shack. Yeah, right next to Kalangur beach only, and that's the shack's name. This is it. Actually here daily all the foreigners sit, and why just now it's empty is because the time is it's 12:45, and rest of them, Jaden and Diane and my in-laws, they're all there at the beach. They've gone to have a drink. So as I said, after the checkout we went straight there. I went to put all the luggage back, and they went to the beach. So I don't want to get into a mess because I have my sexy shoes. I don't want to spoil them, and it's a mess. I called them and I asked them, it's a mess, and it's damn hot just now, man. What's the... I don't know what the temperature also. I'll have to check anyways. So I'm just enjoying the view.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
From here the beach is there, right there. And from the beach this is the first shack. So I'm just enjoying my beer. Yeah. Let's just top it up. Yeah. Cheers. Oh. Refreshing. After 40 days it's heaven. So anyways, I'm just relaxing here, waiting for them. They have ordered some drinks there. So once they finish, they'll come this side. I'll take the car towards them then. And I've parked the cars here only. The parking prices here, see here the parking prices are also. That's it. That's the parking price. And we were parking the car here only in the night. There's a right going from here. From here you take a right, go down and park your car there where the scooter is going. You go down there, park your car a little ahead there. I parked it there only free. So anyways, I'm just going to relax here and enjoy this beer till they come. And then we'll see what we have to do for lunch. Yesterday we had lunch at 6 o'clock and yeah, I didn't vlog much yesterday because there was too much of work. So by the time I finished, I got tired and all. And dinner also we ordered at home, at the hotel. I went for a stroll with Jaden. And then we went, even in the night we went to for mass actually. But they were all in Konkani. So even if it was Hindi, we could have understood what they are saying. But then we decided that we'll go in the morning only. So that's why we went in the morning mass. Oh, anyways, again I'm saying I'm going to enjoy this and catch y'all in a while. So till then, cheers. Boom. Oh, so it is going to be 4 o'clock and we made Jaden sleep at home and we have sneaked out. Her parents are saying to him, means we have put pillows and everything besides him, they are sleeping, and we have slyly taken off for a sly fiesta, and she's having her patty which she can't wait. I told her just wait for 2 minutes. As we reach at the spot, then you eat. But no, she can't resist. Anyways, so we're just heading here close by only. It's just 2 minutes away from the house.
You have to retake this one.
Why?
Your plan?
What plan?
Slyly moving up?
So that he... No. Abhay, slyly means Jaden. From Jaden.
Oh.
How can we slyly move out from your parents when we are telling them to see to him? Arey yaar.
वाह दीदी वाह दीदी
नहीं
दीदी वाह दीदी
what is this
दीदी दीदी
That's why I tell you now. Should have gone to
Achha,
a...
continue.
Anyway, so what I was saying, I'm going to try this just now. Let's see how it is, because first time I'm seeing this. Yeah, I've never tasted this. Oh shit, it's got vodka and I don't like vodka.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
I thought maybe it would be rum or something. अबे जा ना, टी कर रहा है. क्या बेवकूफ साला. This is good for vodka drinkers. I don't know what is there in this. I have to check. properly what is
Either
there.
let the car behind you go, Andrew.
I've given proper space for them
But
to
he's
go.
not. See? Now it's okay. Now
Hmm.
yeah, Nadu.
So, yeah, I'm trying
I'll
to
eat your
see.
share of patty.
No. Now you can't eat any patty of shares over.
Okay.
You were
But
making a
really
face
nice,
there.
yeah?
Good, I
Damn
know.
Nice.
I
No,
know.
because in Delhi wherever I eat
Hold this, let
patties
me
now,
taste. Give me one patty.
In Delhi wherever I eat patties, they're like so, they stick to the palate and so stale the chicken is, not even tasty.
Give fast, give fast.
But you mess up your clothes.
Nothing happens. This one.
Again. Yeah, we're in a very narrow road. Your speed is too slow. Nice, no?
Nice. You
See,
don't.
there are so many cars honking behind
You
us.
don't
It's
need
like seventy
ketchup.
are wrong. Let me take to the wheel otherwise.
Yeah, we're stopping here only.
Stopping you? No, let's go. What all is this road, man? What the hell?
You've never come on this road. We came last time, yeah. What's wrong with you?
No, I don't know.
Wrong way. It's nice.
But the egg patty, I hope there's no boiled egg in it. Puts me off. I like it to be scrambled egg.
There's egg and paneer both.
Oh, then it must be scrambled. Let me taste how. Yeah, we'll go back and buy one more. I don't know. We taste the next one now.
More than me, though, she's tasting all the patties fast.
Yeah, because if I wait for you, then it turns out cold and I don't like it like that.
I'll just taste the egg one. Oh, I think I've had this before, yes.
ये तो काली और messed up. Nice, no?
Got the egg.
Where are we going?
Exploring.
Where are roads are looking?
So we are here finally at 10:55 and we have reached Calamari. And I've had a few of that Lucifer drink. I'll put a picture of that bottle. And we have come for dinner here. I'll just show you what we are in for. This is one thing that I'm going to order. This is the grilled fish. And maybe even I'll order another, what do you call it? I'll order tongue also. Most of y'all won't be aware of that. And this is something I showed you all earlier also.
अब पानी तू पी और पी.
So this is the entrance. Very nice. There's a live band going on. Mostly people are sitting all outside at the beach. They have a beach area there. These are the sweet dishes. This is the seating area outside. See? Everybody seated here. All are sitting outside. There are no personal shacks also there. Like y'all can even see that. These are personal shacks. This is as usual. And this is our table here. भैया टंग है टंग हाँ पिछली बार मंगवाया था
वो दो साल हो गया, 2 साल पहले था काम।
ओ 2 साल पहले था। लॉबस्टर लॉबस्टर है, लॉबस्टर कर दो।
Last order he said.
Last order. So this is his pastime. We have come for dinner. This is his dinner. I think he'll be eating this.
We came to this place.
We actually came especially to this place where he plays here, and we can just enjoy our own seating arrangements. So he's playing himself only. Dirty bugger. So we have ordered one ham and it's a Hawaiian pizza. One is the Hawaiian pizza and chalo, I'll show you only. One is this Hawaiian pizza. One
Ham
is
and
this and one is this calamari pasta.
One fish and chips.
One fish and chips.
One chicken biryani.
One chicken biryani and one margarita.
And lemon soda.
One margarita drink and one lemon soda. That's what we've ordered. So,
Cut now.
So this is what we've ordered. So I'll show you once it comes. But this place is nice, but I don't know why they're playing Hindi.
Tell the waiter.
I'll go and tell him only. Because last time we came here, we were enjoying the English music. And you know, here only, this is the beach. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. See, this is the entrance to the beach. This is the beach area from here. See, here's the waves coming in. Nice. That's why we came here actually. This calamari is nice. Where is it? Can you see? That's calamari. So you have your own personal beach entrance here. They don't trouble. People are sitting here. Couples are sitting. Some girls are sitting there. But yeah, it's good. Good fun. So and even the food is very nice. And actually. I came here especially for the tongue, the beef tongue.
क्या क्या बोला तूने? नहीं पहले क्या बोला? चल चल चलो जाके इलाज कराओ.
Which is not available anything sir. 2 साल पहले था वो मेन्यू पे अपनी है. I said अरे यार उसी के लिए ही तो आए थे हम. So anyways make a compromise with that and I was really looking forward to eat that because last time it was damn tasty. Yeah, very few people enjoy that and I know many people say blah and all, but what can you do? A foodie is a foodie and a proper foodie I am. So let's see now. I'll show you what all we are going to eat and enjoy my margarita. I've had about 4 or 5 of my Lucifer, so maybe after dinner 1 or 2 more because after 40 days I'm having, man, come on. So anyways, chalo, I'll get back to you after the food comes in. Boom. This is the pasta, that's the biryani, and that's the fish and chips. Yeah, that's the biryani. That's it. So let's have a sip of this.
But you told me so softly.
Yeah, very nice. No, because the phone was very close to my mouth. That's why I was saying, oh, very nice.
Other times you talk very loud. Come here.
Let's have this.
Come here. Obviously, I'll have to have fish and chips.
So this, oh god, chicken biryani was for 520. Fish and chips for 750. Margarita, okay.
What happened? Yellow going?
Oh god.
You also come.
Achha.
No, no, I don't go again.
Fresh lime soda,
No, Budu?
Yeah.
mineral water, pizza, and calamari. A special seafood penne. We got some food back that was left. But I don't understand the price of this margarita. 800 bucks for the margarita.
Yeah? For the drink?
Yeah.
800 or something?
Oh God.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है
See, where's Jaden?
What is this left? What was left?
Give
This
him
we
his
are
bucket
taking.
and shovel again.
Hey, what's on your face?
Where?
See on your face, all here. See, it doesn't go on his eyes.
How you want?
It's like more expensive than a full pizza. And normal drink. Anyways, so just don't take the tequila. Rest all yours can have. The food was nice and the fish and chips was nice. We have packed something. Going to the beach now for a little while and maybe have a little 1 or 2 rides after some time. The Goan Swedish, that's what we wanted to have and that's not available here. So let's see if it's available outside. They say at the genuine Goan shops you'll get it. So let's see if we get it there. Yeah, last night we had it. It's for 150. The rest I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to have a little roaming session and cheers for tomorrow then. Boom.